Go to the road like this. I have the need for speed. Oh, a bummer. People painting it.
Oh, really?
Really?
Yeah.
There's an old trestle bridge over there. And that takes a lot of skill. Oh, I'm sure. Nobody minds.
Yeah, no one really cares if we go inside. What is this? Let's go to the really front now. Look upstairs. What's all the nub? What is that? Let me try getting it.
Yep. It's because it's on the mountaintop. That's why it's windy. Oh, it's awesome.
Come on in.
I'm Dave, and this is Las Pinos Lookout.
Is there a hotel?
I don't think this flying saucer repair facility is very good. Spaceman. Spaceman's been sacrificed.
And practicality is a measure of a number of different factors, such as rate of action. And one of the problems that they have, one of the trade-offs is, one, you could do a lot of work and make your gun really, really accurate. Fire down, which is the reason why sometimes on the smaller guns, they'll just assume a flat plane and go from there, because it makes the mathematics that much easier, that much faster. The here is that they're not noise canceling headsets. So by 1960, yeah, it picks up. These are old Bakelite handsets, and I've actually replayed around with.
Is this a real peacock?
It is a real peacock.
I don't know what this is, but it looks like an eel.
Ooh, an Indian head.
I took this peacock.
Oh, there's that ugly face.
Look at the door.
Oh yeah, there's a door. Gate.
I don't have to go fix it.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
It's been smashed down. I think this was the station house or something. This is the Peace House. It's built by Alan Lepke and Dudley Clark. Please close the door. Okay, so it is okay to visit here. Alright, there's the back seat of a Ford Explorer. There's all sorts of condiments. Lay. You can get laid here if you wanna. Here, right here. There's lunch. There's cooking implements. Binoculars. This is cool. Ah, there's a gun. And TP. Water, if you are really in the need. And, oh. Check this out. It's not empty. Check this out. Not empty either. That's a little wink wink for you. Okay, leave it as it was. What else is here? A fire. Ring. Fire ring. Heart. Another. This looks magic. Okay, the beach house, no, not the beach house, the Peace House is here. Right in the middle of, well, that's all for Avalanche in San Diego. See you next time.